got a special treat for you today, honey mustard chicken. Now, we're going to get right into the sauce. Now, for the mustard, we're taking 1/3 cup measurer and we're filling it halfway with the horseradish mustard, which is a stone ground horseradish, and also a Dijon mustard. And I really like the Grey Poupon. If you've got a favorite Dijon, you can use that, use whatever. And then 1/3 cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Use your favorite. I like the Duke's. And then 1/3 cup of honey. Now, we need a little sprinkle of garlic powder. That's going to be about a ½ teaspoon if you're wanting to measure it. I like to just throw mine in. And about probably about a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, I would say. And then just mix that all together. Look how easy that was. And now you have homemade honey mustard sauce. All right, now to get our chicken ready for the sauce, we're going to take a little bit of our Tony Shakers, or you know what? If anybody really knows how to say this, please let me know. I've been told that I'm saying it wrong, but everybody that I know in the South says it that way, Tony Shakers. So okay, now we've got our chicken in our pan, and for this recipe, it's okay to kind of crowd it in a little bit. We're going to dress this with our honey mustard sauce. And then we want to get this all over the chicken, so we're just going to kind of lift and move that chicken around so that the sauce gets all over it and underneath it. Okay, now we're going to cover this with our lid. If you have a pan that you like for this that does not have a lid, that's fine. Cover it with aluminum foil, okay? And then into the oven, it's going to go on 350 for about 25 minutes. Then we're going to lift the lid and let some of the steam and the water in there evaporate a little bit to thicken that sauce ever so slightly, okay? And then we'll show you how to finish it. And our honey mustard chicken is done, ready for a taste test. Oh, yum. It's the perfect amount of tanginess. Just enough, not too much. It's like, you know when you dip in your chicken nuggets in a really good honey mustard sauce? Well, that's it. And you got it for your entire family. And you saw how easy that was, right, you guys? So, make sure, you guys, that you like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And we so appreciate that, and we do not take it for granted. We enjoy coming into your home each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.